Hey guys, let me show you Club Mahindra Ashtamudi studio apartment. This is the entrance. This is the space for luggage. We have just entered. This is the mirror, very big mirror. A table and two chairs. This is a pretty good sofa cum bed. This is a double bed. Nice picture on Kerala theme. Nice ambience. This is the TV. The room is pretty good. It's a 5-star property. You can definitely enjoy your stay here. This is Ashtamudi Lake in Kerala near Munroe Island. Now let me show you the bathroom. This is the shower area. Nice, clean, with all the basic amenities.